Time to get some daily reps in. It's lunchtime right now, so figure no better time to send some arrows before it gets too hot out. Can't see where that one went. Shooting at 33 yards for this group. A little high and left maybe. A little bit of a glare on that target down there. But they're feeling like they're breaking all right. Oh, heard arrow slapping down there. So I think I stacked all three of them in there pretty good. So not a bad group. Gonna shoot a few more arrows here during lunch and then get back with work.